Hi guys, it's Jaiden, and today I'll be playing a special. Yeah, we're doing this all. No, Jack, stop. No, because oh, who are you?
Hey, buddy, I'm Dallas. So, this is Jaden. This is Jack. Hey, boys. This is Dallas and Lauren. Hi, Jack. Hi, Jake.
Who are you?
Yeah, why don't you introduce yourself?
I'm
These are my.
the door. Put your hands up
Okay,
right
hey,
now.
they're cool. They're cool. It's all good. They're my friends. It's all good. Just introduce yourself.
My name is Jack. So cool. I'm so intense. I'm so intense.
Yeah, you are intense. Oh, Jack. Oh. Here, why don't you put that on the table? Yeah. Go put that on the table.
That's
Don't
our.
hit the computer or anybody. Papa's gonna get you the charger. Yeah.
Jaden, let's play Piggy Simulator. Okay. Wait, Jack. Jack, I thought I was using the first one. Oh, I thought you wanted to play Piggy Simulator. No, take your time. Oh yeah, don't start yet, okay? Don't start. Don't start yet. Okay, I'm gonna go with you. It's just saying. Yeah, I'm joining it. Hey guys, it's me, Jack. Jaden! Yeah, we're gonna play together. Today we'll be playing a special Jack. No, I'm so stupid. Where are you? I don't know where are you. Did you spawn? Stay. Oh no. I'm on a way different computer, Jack. But who cares? We can go to one of the buses. Yeah, I'm right there. You see me? Wait, am I? Oh, no, Jack, we're on the wrong computer. Mine says Bug Squad. Mine says Bug Squad 13. Oh, that's okay. Get on this bus, Jack. Follow me. Where are you? Oh, where? I see you. I see you. Yeah, what does my name tag say? Your name tag says Fruity Cutie. That's what it says? Oh yeah, that was my actual real one. Bug Squad 13. No, oh, I mean mine. Minecraft Ninjama. Minecraft Ninjama. Mine doesn't say Minecraft Ninjama. Watch, I'm gonna go into the chat and say hi. Watch. You gonna say hi? Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Yeah, we're starting. Okay. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Yeah, I see you. I see you. I see you. Do you see me? No, follow me. Her. Yeah. Oh. Accept. Accept. I accept. Oh, I love you. Where are you? Why? What? Now I'm leaving too. I'm leaving. But I did. Where are you? I'm going to the Avatar shop too. Want to switch? Yeah. This is the HP. That's the HP. I got the. Why mine too? I don't know. But that's okay. Star Wars games that you found? What game? The Star Wars game? Oh, what is it called? Oh, Star Wars. Yeah, you like that game. You want to play that game with me, right?
Yeah. But,
Okay.
dude, you were supposed to go on to games. Then do Star Wars. Then send it to me, okay?
Okay, just stay there. Don't join the game yet. Okay?
Maybe go on to...
I'm gonna invite you. Okay, just stay. Just go to game.
I am on games.
Okay, don't touch anything. Don't play anything. Yeah, I said don't play anything.
Dude, I'm getting go to them. Wait, oh wait, did you already give me that one?
No, I didn't send you the invite. No, I didn't send you the invite yet. Come on, you should join. Join it.
Yeah, I already have. Already have.
I'm gonna wait for you. Okay.
So what's your name? Bug Squad 13.
That's-
And I am who?
Minecraft Ninjama.
Wait, am I my skin?
Oh, I see you. Do you see me?
Minecraft Ninja.
Do you see me? 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 I'm right in front of you, dude. I'm right in front of you. I see you. I see you. Follow me. Let's go. Follow me. Let's go to Mars, okay? Follow me. You want to be the rebels? Who do you want? Who do you want to be? I want to be pilot. But you don't get. But ships cost money to be a pilot. Yeah, let's get a lightsaber. Follow me. I know where the lightsabers are. Follow me.
Wait, Jack, I'm gonna change my name. Wait,
Follow
Jack,
me.
change your name.
Okay, that was just.
You're going to be.
Okay.
Dude,
Well,
it's a cuss word.
it is.
Yes, your name's a cuss
What is it? Why is it cuss word? S S S S S G F slash F. That's a bad word.
word. I'm trying to power up the lightsaber.
It's cute. Yeah, it's cute. I'll be on the good side with you.
Lightsaber battle.
I love you.
Oh, no, Jack, stop. Deactivate your lightsaber.
Deactivate it?
Yeah. Wait, you can change your color? Can you change your color?
I don't think so.
Force.
Force! Hit R. Hit R.
No, it's F for the force.
But I'm pressing R. Come on, let's go to battle. Follow me. To the portal. To the portal. Go. You can? I don't think so. Follow me. Let's go to the lightsaber thingy. Right here.
Jack,
What?
after you become a Jedi,
Oh, you want to become a Jedi with me?
I'm a Jedi.
I need to reset my character. I need to reset my. No, stay there. Stay there. Stay there.
I'm gonna take off his guy. If he has something like.
I'm here, dude. I'm here. Come
How
to.
do you have control of this computer?
No, no. I'm gonna be a Jedi. Okay, I'm gonna be a Jedi.
Oh, this is the. Ooh, yeah. I am Jedi Master Kenobi.
Jedi Mano. Jedi Mano.
Are you taking damage?
No, I'm
Why are
not.
you taking damage?
Because we're friends. Yeah, we're friends. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me.
Get your light. Wait, we're both Jedi.
Yeah, we're both Jedis. I'm a Jedi.
I'm gonna activate my lightsaber. Activate our lightsabers.
Okay, activate your lightsabers. Do you like my lightsaber? Look at it. Boo-boo.
Lightsaber.
No, that's
I'm gonna take off my.
dull. Yeah, that's what I got. The dull lightsabers.
Oh wait, Jack.
Yeah.
My helmet. I don't. My hair's gone. My hair's gone. I go.
You're right.
No, I'm jumping high.
That's good. You got. Somebody's here. How's somebody here? Roger, Roger. Hey, get out of the way, dude! Why do I got hair? My hair! Hair! Jaiden, where are you? Where are you?
We are.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Where did you come from? Who are you? Who are you? Okay, do you like my character? Where are you?
Go, 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 go. To the portal. To the portal now.
No, 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 to the border, to the border.
To the portal where the back way is.
Go to the battle arena right there. Let's go. Hit shift to run, okay? Hit shift and go.
I don't think I have.
No, hit shift and then press W to go forward. Can you find any shift?
Yeah. Are that guy? Are the clone troopers our friends?
You can't kill anyone. I don't think. I don't know how to play this game that well. Yeah, let's do. Oh no, there's someone there. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Yeah, there's someone there. There's a Sith trooper there. Hurry, shoot him, shoot him, shoot, shoot. Yeah, that's right. Leader of the rebels. Yeah, you're stupid of the rebels.
You got some stormtroopers on here.
Oh, yo, 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 yo. We killed him. We killed him.